Okay, first day of trying to put on, get the angle up here. First day trying to put on 28% nitrogen. We've had water in it. Trying to get everything calibrated. Now he's gonna put in some 28, some ATS, some boron, so as we get the water drained out.
There's the bins at David's house up there. Garrett's filling the sprayer up for a post-application of corn herbicide. Corey's hauling white corn today. Dad, Travis, Dr. Trav, Travis Exotic, Bearded Duck, whatever nickname you want to call him. He's only got 100 of them. They're all doing a tile project. Little one put in some, put in another line with some terraces that needs done. Boss man Denny doing the driving. Live filming. Looking good. Looking good. What are you looking at?
I'm looking to see where we're wanting to start filling because we're going to put this riser pipe
Between these flags. Riser pipe. Can't fill it in. Not yet. Gotta get the riser in first. Move on. And I'm out here feeding the corn, giving it some nutrients it needs to be as good as it can be. It's a brand new rig here with Nutramax, made by Underford. 2,600 gallons, which our old one was 1,500, so that's nicer. Got 5 sections shut off, so we don't overlap too much. Just a really nice rig. I really like doing some liquid nitrogen instead of just all anhydrous. It gives you a lot of different options. We mix a lot of different goodies with it. The fact that we do it like this gives us the options to do that. Do a lot of different tests. Got humanic acid test putting it on with this, doing a lot of that. Also doing some different micronutrients tests. I won't get into all of them. There's quite a bit. Like I've said before, we're always testing, so that's the job I'm on now, and I'll be on for a little bit. Roll the drone footage. Well, I'm just about out of juice. And here comes David in the Titanic. Fill me back up. Look at that. He's so strong. It takes me forever.
Somebody's got to keep you in line.
There you go. Look at that. Now there was 2 clips. There's no way I could have done that one-handed.
You ain't got to open up this other one, do you?
Nope. David got me full. Back up and going. Check out my screen a little bit here. It's got 5 sections. I got different rates that I put in. These are different, put different rates in different places. Some places we don't even do this. Some places we top dress instead of this. It's just, all depends. Every field's different. But I put on like a half rate here. We put anhydrous on before we planted. I don't know if you can tell it, but there's green streaks. That's where he put it on at, because it's getting to the nitrogen there. So we're just putting on a half rate here. I got one more field of half rate in Illinois that I'm going to switch to my full rate over here, 50 gallons an acre. I'm 22 gallons an acre right now. So I thought this was my last field of half rate, but David reminded me the airport's a half rate, not a full rate. So thanks, David. Good morning, folks. It's been a while. It's June 3rd. It's been a while since I've had the privilege to get my hands on one of these bad boys and spend the day with y'all. We're over here in Indiana. Me and Reese, we've been side dressing all week. We are ahead of schedule, getting a lot of stuff done. I mean, a lot of stuff. Working. Come here, boy. Look at this dog. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? He's my bud, though. I don't know what his name is. But anyways, you guys get the privilege of hanging out with the duck today. The doc, the duck, whatever y'all want to call me. Travis. Oh, we gonna have a good day. Good day.
Well, I'm done here. A couple little fields I did in Illinois this morning. Whole total of 1.7 acres. So now I'm going to head over to Indiana, and there's no pickup in this. A little bit of an oversized load, just prevents me from going around. It's a little bit wide, so we're going to try the bottom, see how we get along. Well, it went pretty good going through the Rambar bottoms. Got about back to 50, so I saw it stop and check my straps, see if it was still tied down good, and had a tar leaking. So I went across the Memorial Bridge, which I didn't know if I could get over, but I jacked up the, lifted up the planter and hung it over the sidewalk, and it made it through barely meeting a car. But it worked. Got to the place to get the tar fixed right there. And I only had one guy, because the guys are out on service calls, and he didn't really want to be there, and he was going to be a while before he got it fixed. So I used their stuff, put on the spare, left them the tire, told them to fix it. We'd pick it up later, put it back on the spare. So that's just the way it goes. A little bit of a side trip, but not bad. Worked out good. At least it wasn't on Highway 41 or 50 at the blowout on this trailer. So got her taken care of. Headed down in Indiana into the neck to replant. Oh, maybe out of 3,600 acres, maybe 40 replant spots here, there, and yonder. So get her taken care of, get her done.
Well,
Got the last load of 28 that we have available here at the farm. Loaded up on the truck. I'm waiting on a phone call from Reese to have me come down to camp, deliver it to his side dresser. So while I wait patiently, me and old dog, that's what I call him, dog. Come here, dog. Sit. Oh, look at that. He's a good dog. Me and old dog here. He's gonna join me for some breakfast. Sausage patties. That's what I'm talking about. Which one do I want to give you, boy? Here you go, buddy. Oh, yeah. Hey, you know you can sit down here and eat with me. Darn dog. He'll come back. Thank you, honey. Honey, the dog thanks you too. There's a lot going on around here today. Dennis, he's out hitting some spots that needed replanted with the little 6-row. And Garrett, I drove his truck here this morning. He'll be here. He come back, spray some corn. I believe he was in Robson. Me and Reese doing side dressing. Eli, he's coming down. He's gonna be mowing. River and Layton, that's their names. They brought my truck down. They're gonna be they're taking out some barbed wire fence somewhere. I'm not real positive where at, but you ask me, that's the crappiest job.
Just got the call. I have been sent on a mission. Unlike most that I'm sent on, this is not a mission impossible. Taking a load to Reese. Be last load 28. Then I switch up my mixture, my potion. I'll be taking 32%. Oh, the dog trying to follow me. Yeah, I hear you, boy. I hear you. I'll be back. He wants to know one of them sausage patties, you know what I mean? Boy, I tell you, if he'd load up, I'd let him ride. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. I'm going to see one of my good friends. He called and wants me on the road again. And we are here. Hi, Reese.
Hi, Travis.
Are we having a good day?
Oh, great day so far. Did we get any 32% in?
Not since I've been there. But I ain't been there long. Reese sent me on a mission. Just have enough time to eat breakfast with the dog.
Well, we've been 2 days down here doing about 40 acres of corn. 40 to 50, I'd have to add it up. Finished up down here in the bottoms today at these little holes. There's like 1,400 acres of corn down here. Not much replant, but it takes a lot of time. It's like my replant machine has done its job. Now we're gonna go back, switch over to a few beans for tomorrow. Gonna hit a few holes on those down in here, maybe 20 or so. See how that goes.
Well, end of the day, I kept Reese from getting hungry, so to speak, at least his machine. I don't know how many acres we got done side dressing today, but I know I done a lot of driving back and forth. I should have had this camera on just a while ago because I was trying to switch out this boron tank that I'm out of. I'm out here in this loose gravel. Tried it with this forklift. Yep. Forklifts suck in the gravel. At least when it's loose. Got stuck, had to pull myself out. Kind of aggravated. Saying heck with it. We'll get the skid steer. We'll load her, put that tub up here on this stand. Pretty nice stand. Boss man built it. It is nice. Look at that pretty green. Whew. My. It's been a heck of a day. Kind of warm. Let you in on something. Oh, the Amish, they build good sheds. But they suck. At least they suck this time at doing these doors. I'll let you watch. I'll try to shut it. Yesterday I pulled it shut too far and end up I couldn't even budge it backwards, so I ended up just getting a forklift and pushing it back. Kind of sissy way of doing it, you could say, but I didn't have nobody else's help, so I did what I had to do. So like I said before, I'm gonna show you just how hard this door is shut. Try. Tab open. Holy cow. Did I mention that I don't like them doors? I think I did.
Hello, family.
Hello.
Hello. Anybody got anything to say to the YouTubers?
Go make it. I don't think so. The fields look good.
Fields look good?
Yeah.
They are looking good. You're right about that.
But some are like has water on.
Yeah, we got a few replant spots, not very many. All right, say bye, YouTube.
Bye.